video I will share about setting field to read only in using JQuery and Joomla. You can read this from mindphp.com website. There are Joomla5 step-by-step tutorial. You can read in documentation. In this video I share about this using read only. So in some cases the user has not to enter in the input box. The user has only to we have to show the data to the user only, and the user cannot enter value. In that cases the read only is used. Here you can read step by step. Here in XML file we can add the line read only equal true if we want to make read only in the form. Here in as an example in default.php, here in using the jQuery we give the attribute as read only true. That's way we can also give a read only true, and that means the user cannot enter values. So there are two methods of setting form fields through read only. One method is XML definition. In one creating the form field in XML file, now we can give us the read only true, and in default.php files, in template files using jQuery we can give us attribute read only true. By adding this type here you can see also read only true we gave. By using this method we can create read only fields in Joomla. As in simple HTML form, we can also give read only. There the user cannot enter value, it will show only the data in the input box, but we can't enter the data in the input box. So it means the user can read only, cannot write. So that's mean read only. So this is the basic introduction of setting read only in Joomla. So thank you very much for your attention.